Welcome to the ACA IELTS series. The IELTS speaking test can be unpredictable, but preparation is key. Our predictions for January and February 2025 focus on likely topics for parts 1, 2, and 3, with example answers and explanations to help you excel. Let's get started. Part 1 Predictions and Tips. In Part 1, you'll answer simple questions about yourself and your everyday life. Confidence and natural delivery are crucial. Let's see some questions predicted to be asked. Topic 1. Hobbies. Question example 1. What hobbies do you enjoy in your free time? Example answer. In my free time, I love reading mystery novels because they keep me engaged and improve my focus. Recently, I've started sketching as well. It's a great way to relax. This response works because vocabulary. Words like engaged improve my focus, and relax demonstrate a rich vocabulary. Structure. The answer logically introduces two hobbies and explains why they are enjoyable. Fluency. Varied sentence lengths and natural phrasing ensure smooth delivery. Question example 2. Have your hobbies changed over time? Example answer. Yes, definitely. When I was younger, I enjoyed outdoor games like cricket, but now I prefer quieter activities like reading and photography. It reflects how my interests have evolved. This response works because grammar. Effective use of past and present tenses, enjoyed versus prefer. Relevance. Ties the change in hobbies to personal growth, showing insight. Question example 3. What hobbies do people in your country usually have? Example answer. Many people in my country enjoy outdoor activities like hiking and cycling, especially during the weekends. Watching movies and playing video games are also quite popular. This response works because of cultural awareness. Highlights typical hobbies in the speaker's country, adding depth. Detail. Specific examples like hiking and cycling make the response more engaging. Topic 2. Food and cooking. Question example 1. Do you enjoy cooking at home? Example answer. Yes, I enjoy cooking at home because it allows me to experiment with different recipes and eat healthier. It's also a fun way to unwind after a busy day. This response works because of vocabulary with words like experiment and unwind enhance the response. It also demonstrates fluency. The answer is concise but rich in detail. Question example 2. What is your favorite dish to prepare? Example answer. My favorite dish to prepare is pasta because it's quick, versatile, and always delicious. I like trying new sauces, like pesto or creamy mushroom, to make it more interesting. This response works because of detail, which includes specific examples, pesto, creamy mushroom, make the answer stand out. And engagement shown through the passion for the topic comes through, making it more compelling. Part 2 Predictions and Examples. In Part 2, you'll be given a cue card with a topic. You'll have 1 minute to prepare and 2 minutes to speak. Let's explore some predicted questions. Predicted topic 1. Describe a person who inspired you. Who this person is. How you know them. What they did to inspire you. Example answer. One person who has inspired me is my grandmother. She's a retired teacher who has dedicated her life to helping others. I remember her spending hours tutoring underprivileged children in our community. Her compassion and determination have motivated me to pursue my goals while giving back to society. This response works because of language used with advanced vocabulary like dedicated and compassion elevate the response. It also has structure where it clearly addresses all the prompts in an engaging manner. And finally, relevance, since the personal story adds authenticity and depth. Predicted topic 2. Describe an event that changed your life. What the event was. Where and when it happened. How it changed you. Example answer. An event that changed my life was my first public speaking competition in high school. It happened 5 years ago, and though I was extremely nervous, I managed to win 3rd place. That experience gave me the confidence to express my ideas and pursue leadership roles in college. This response works because it mentions specific details, 3rd place, to make the story vivid and impact. explains how the event led to personal growth, aligning with the cue card prompts. Part 3 Predictions and Discussion. Part 3 involves a deeper discussion based on the Part 2 topic. Let's see some predicted questions. Predicted question 1. Do you think inspiring others is important in society? Example answer 1. Inspiring others is crucial because it creates a positive cycle of motivation and growth. For example, a student inspired by a teacher might go on to achieve great things and inspire others in turn. This response works because of content, since it provides reasoning, positive cycle of motivation, and an example. And vocabulary uses terms like crucial and motivation to enhance the response. Predicted question 2. How can schools encourage students to inspire one another? Example answer 2. Schools can promote inspiration by organizing mentorship programs and celebrating student achievements. Recognizing effort and success can motivate others to do their best. This response works because of practicality, as it suggests feasible solutions like mentorship programs, and clarity. The answer is direct and well structured. Remember, it's about practicing consistently, refining your fluency, and building your confidence. Keep exploring a wide range of topics, practice with friends or educators, and focus on delivering clear, structured responses. Thank you for watching. Got questions or need clarification? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the ACA Global YouTube channel for more IELTS tips and predictions. Best of luck with your IELTS prep, and see you in the next video.